I should not be singing right now. Let's quickly check whether it's working or not. Should work. Ta 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 ta. All right. Are we live? Okay. Arey, hi Navroz bhai, what's up? Yeah, it's been a long day without you, my friend. Kyal chal, what's up? What's up, everyone? Hi guys, thank you for joining. Let's quickly zoom the chat so that you guys can see what's going on. What's up, everyone? Give me 1 second. I'm good. क्या time हो रहा है वहाँ पे? What's the time? Just give me 1 second. Just need to check one thing. सुबह के 11 बज रहे हैं. That's cool. All right. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much for joining, Navroz bhai. As soon as more people join, we're gonna start. How are you? How's the weather? How are your girlfriends? I think you have many. So yes, hope you're enjoying. Hope you're having fun. All right, guys. If any of you are here, please say hi in the chat because hi बोलने से कुछ जाएगा नहीं हमारा, and I'll feel better. Okay. Guys, give me 1 second. All right. Guys, if any of you are here, say hi, say vadakkam, say namaste, whatever you can. We have 5 watching, so that's good. We can start anytime. We have 6 watching now. Nice. Nice. If any of you are following India versus weather is shit, too cold, no GF, only work and study. I'll call you tomorrow. आप जब free हो. Yes. बिल्कुल call कीजिएगा. Very happy to pick up the calls. Second point is wrong. First point is right. Third point is not a statement. That should be a question, but you didn't ask a question, so that's okay. Hi Buggy, what's up? Hi Yarush. See, I came at 8 a.m. PST just for you. See my commitment, right? So since you all see my commitment, you guys should consider subscribing to my channel as well. Today I have 1 new subscriber, so that's good. Anyways, just for information everyone, today's topic is about NeoVim, how I use all the tools for optimizing my workflow, and we'll be talking about that and how I created my own plugin for example. Hey, hi Edwin. Hi everyone. So now is a good time for everyone to start praising about me, how good I am, because my manager is here. So please make sure that you guys say good things about me. Only good things, okay? Thank you so much for joining, Edwin. Really appreciate you joining. Takli Billy, that's such a cool name, yeah? Takli Billy, nice. Anybody message you on Twitter after that? Oh, a lot of people. You know, there's a guy, you're so good. You're so good, better than anyone on this planet. Thank you so much. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Keep the good feedback coming so that everyone knows. I mean, not everyone right now, just Edwin. Our focus should just be on Edwin. But yes, jokes apart, yesterday I posted this Mac giveaway for a person who crosses my speed of 124 words per minute. Of course, Gagandeep tweeted. That's nice. So there's a guy from Dukan, which is a startup. I think he is currently leading all data science and AI at Dukan. So he posted this screenshot, 131 words per minute, and he said, my address is in your DMs. Let me know once you ship the Mac. Now I'll tell you what. He did for 15 seconds. Like, you're kidding me, right? Like, 15 seconds, 131 is quite less. Like, let's see what does it do for 15 seconds. Let's see if I can just search for. I mean, these guys are so smart. Not saying that maybe they have better speed as well. Type this in 15 seconds. Please rate my other posts and be sure to be awesome. Congratulations. Oh, this was not. Okay, where did he? Monkey type. Okay, let's go for monkey type. Let's see. Hi Kush. Hi Gagandeep. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, so he did this, right? In hat first, how must set seam hand as early right? Consider school and state. Other show some open leave, way well leave and large possible. Develop if make possible. Child last. See, even I scored 131 WPM, right? And that's on my old mechanical keyboard. Okay. So I don't know what he is trying to say over there. Even his raw is 131, mine is 136. I don't know what that means though. But yeah, I mean, I have due respect for him, of course. Not saying that I don't. But I'm just saying that 15 seconds, why? But anyways, I just let him know that this was a prank and he was... I don't want to be an argument with him. But this got some extra attention. Not his fault again, I'm just saying that people are really smart. Smarter than me, maybe. By the way, you need a non-copyright Lofi playlist and some dual blur on that terminal. That's a new NeoVim game level on YouTube. Is it? I think I have the transparent terminal. That's not even 131 words per minute, by the way. That's not 131 words per minute keyboard. So if he did 1 minute long and broke you 124, then you actually give him mac anyways. Yeah, I'll give him mac and cheese. You guys know about mac and cheese, right? I'll give him mac and cheese burger. I'll not give him Mac. I didn't say that I'll give him a Mac laptop. It's a mac and cheese giveaway. See? McDonald's. Yay. 50 rupees. Easy. And for that, he has to come to my home, take the delivery, and then, I mean, of course, let's not point someone out. I'm just saying that whoever wins will have to do it. And then people are liking it as well. Like, you know, like people are so stupid. You guys, no one actually sees that it's 15 seconds, for God's sake. Anyways, let's not point him out. By the way, guys, if you're there, you should please go and like my tweets and not their tweets. I'm on 7 likes and he is on 9 likes. That's not done, right? I think he has most followers, so that makes sense. Haven't watched a Japanese version with this NeoVim videos. That person with Neo's solarized color scheme forgot the name. Okay, God. Japanese person. Yeah, I know, but he was on Mac. I remember that he goes out somewhere and does the streams and all, right? How do I bring it here? Home to ghar dikhao. Come Canada, I'll give free Big Mac meal to everyone. Yes, why not? Yeah. होम टूर घर दिखाओ. यस, घर दिखाते हैं आप लोगों को. ये देखो घर, क्योंकि घर हमारा बसता है दिल में. सो घर इज इन योर हार्ट एंड दिस इज घर. Congratulations everyone. See? Now no one will again ask me to show the home, because I forgot to clean it up. I totally forgot that it's a home tour stream. But okay, what I can do is I can actually show you NeoVim and we can... Gagandeep, ठीक है ना? थोड़ा adjust करो guys. Unfair. Okay, we will... I'll show you guys my home tomorrow. उस घर में बहुत लड़कियां हैं, दिल में बिल्कुल लड़कियां हैं. There are a lot of girls out there. There's one Mac here. There's one Mac in my bedroom, and there are a couple of monitors. So let's call them girls. Inke dil mein nahi hai. Let's meet tomorrow. Yarush, you don't have to leave. But okay. For now, let's start about our NeoVim workflow. Okay, so that's something I want to do. All right, let's focus on. And the blur stuff I think KD can do with Quantum in awesome WM. I don't have fork of PCOM for Genome. Yeah, for GNOME I have no idea. Yeah, it's not possible on GNOME. I'm pretty sure on KD I've tried a lot. Like I used to do it. What do you call it? What's the effect name? Acrylic effect, right? It's called acrylic or something. Yeah. So that used to be so cool, right? Right now, what's this? Oh, sorry. Okay. Need to quickly fix this. Yeah, so I used to do this like, what's happening? Hey, why? Okay, never mind. Right, so for example here, this is, I can make it, I think it's already, no, it's not, right? Config alacrity dot YML opacity. Yeah, it's, first of all, it should not be here. It should be here. Let's make it 0.5. So this is what we have right now, where you can have like this, but ideally, of course, I know what you guys will prefer. So yeah, so this is just a transparency thing. Yeah, but we need a Lofi playlist. Do you have any suggestion? Guys, give me a suggestion for a Lofi playlist. Come on, go ahead. Give me a suggestion. Now is a good time. Go ahead. Don't wait. Okay, all right. So today's agenda for this stream is gonna be about NeoVim workflow. And not just that, we'll also talk about the other tools that I use, like daily. That's FZF. If you guys are not aware, FZF, I'm gonna type it here. BAT, a better version of CAT. I think BAT is implemented in Rust. Alacrity is implemented in Rust, by the way. So yeah, doesn't make sense though. Like, I mean, the reason I'm just telling you all just for knowledge, it doesn't mean that anything that is implemented in Rust is good. Okay, Kitty is not implemented in Rust, by the way, which is another terminal emulator. Okay, so we are going to use FZF, BAT, then we're going to use auto jump. Okay, then we are going to use Z shell. You can use Starship prompt as well, and I'm also gonna demonstrate using NeoVim. Alacrity is already there, and the font I use is, okay guys, anyone can guess what font is this? Come on, make a guess, make a guess, make a guess. Anyone, which font is this? Come on, all my techie friends, make a guess. One, JetBrains Mono, no, but I used to use JetBrains. I think it's one of the most popular fonts out there. But you're close, because I mean, you're not close, of course, but that's how it started off. So JetBrains, what is the next font you will ever try? Think about it. You can do it. Buggy, you can do it. Gagandeep, you can do it. Yarush, Navroz, Bhai, Edwin, are you here? Which font is this? You want to give it a try? Come on, make a guess. But you're a Mac person, so I think you might be using source code. I forgot the name, but yeah. Anyone, guys? Come on. It's called IOSevka. IOSevka. Okay, so I'm gonna type it here as well. If you guys want to check it out, please go ahead and do it. It's too blocky, so I have no idea. Mac OS, I think SF Mono. Yeah, SF Mono. Yes. Sorry, I forgot about it. Yeah, so I think, like, honestly speaking, I really like IOSevka, and this is IOSevka nerd font. Honestly speaking, I think, yeah, it's semi-bold, right? If I will make it bold, it won't look that good, or maybe it will look good. Doesn't look bad, to be honest. I think it's mostly because of transparency. Let's also reduce the transparency. Yeah, much better, right? So yes, this is IOSevka font, by the way, and I installed the nerd version of it just to make sure I can see the emojis and all in my terminal, in my NeoVim. All right, okay, so we know what tools are we going to use. If you are, if you want to follow along, you can always do that. Please go to this repository and find all my dot files. All right, okay, so you will see all my dot files there. Let me quickly bring that to all of you here. Okay, so this is the, guys, I need to make the payment. Okay, please donate money so that I can make payment. I'm just kidding. I'll do that. I forgot. Yeah, the dot files I use and the dot files that you should create yourself. Of course, you should never copy. I mean, ideally you can always start with copying, but then slowly and steadily you should create your own. Yeah, and I'm also using Tmux and a few of the plugins that are in Tmux. Yes, LazyGit is amazing. If you have not used LazyGit, please go ahead and use it. Saini, right? The person behind Gravbox Material Color Scheme. They have a repository with patched mix fonts. I use Fira plus operator font from there. Is it? How is it? Can you link me? Let's see. I haven't checked them out, to be honest. Is this the repository you're talking about? I think Cascadia code is actually also good, by the way. This is not bad. Maybe I'll try because it looks cool, you know, the way they have written crate, for example, here, but not very sure. Oh, so you have this, right? You are using this one. It's nice. It's decent. Very simple. Oh, summary item. Yeah, sref. You see? I like it. I like it. But I think it's not because of the font, right? I think it's also in the... Should be from based on the NeoVim color scheme as well. FISA code. Okay. I'll give it a try, bro. Thank you so much for letting me know. But is it the nerd version of it? Or are you generating your own nerd font from these fonts? Because I think in NeoVim you will need... Oh, these are already nerd fonts. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, let's try. Let's try bold, regular. Okay, I want book. Okay, let's... Yes, it is not font. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let me quickly try FISA code bold. Guys, how do you like it? Anyone has any opinion on this? I forgot where do I store my fonts. But anyways, I can always go to fonts and I can downloads and I can go to FISA and I can say config alacrity.yml and I can go here font. I can comment this out. FISA code. Okay. Maybe the repository is not right. FISA code bold. Okay. Let's try to copy this to, because one thing I definitely know that this will work. Okay, let's try opening the terminal again. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah. Works, but it doesn't look really good, right? Do you like it? Okay, maybe I should not judge too soon. I should use it, but yeah, I think I'm using the bold version of it. That's why it's not looking that good. It likes look too heavy because that's how it's supposed to be. So let me quickly download the regular font. FISA code book. Okay. I like learning from all of you guys, by the way. It's good. Book. Regular. You what FC cache FV. Okay. I need to just open it again. Why is it not working? Isn't that the font? FISA code book regular. Let me quickly see. LS fonts. FISA code bold. Oh, I didn't copy. My bad, guys. What is it? FISA code book regular. Maybe I'm missing. This is right. What's happening? Is this the font? FISA code regular? Doesn't look really... Do you like it? It's not bad either. How do you guys feel about it? Buggy, is it better than... I mean, to you, of course, everyone has their own personal opinion on this. But do you like it compared to Ayusevka? I like Ayusevka because it's kind of, you know... I mean, you get the point. It's narrow. It really looks different on my setup. I guess Electricity just renders stuff different. Is it? Are you sure using the same font? Can you just verify with this? I'm using FISA code and I think I was using stylus regular and bold semi. Yeah, so I'm currently using semi bold and this is how it looks like. I'm afraid like if this is coming from Alacrity, I will be really concerned, but yes, please do let me know. Happy to try new things. That's how we do. All right. By the way, guys, at least say hi. At least say hi in the chat. Come on, guys. Don't be like this. How many people are watching? How many people are watching? 4. Okay. Then school. Okay. Not a lot of people are watching. Kind of that hurts, by the way. But it's okay. That did hurt, by the way, guys. Not a lot of people are watching. What did I do wrong? Maybe I didn't start working. That's why people left. Okay. I'm bored. Dude, that was so rude. By the way, Yarusht, don't be that harsh, like just be a little, it's okay, you're doing good, keep doing what you're doing, but I'm not liking it. You can be that person. I'm just kidding, I understand. I know you want the home tour. Yeah, I know you want that. I don't know, for some reason, I feel that maybe it could be because of it's LCD only. This is slight. Rubik is good. So this should be 1.25. I think it's better for me that way. All right, guys. For now, I think we should continue. Okay, so that Yerush doesn't get bored. Okay, so I'm gonna show how I use all the plugins. Guys, how many of you here? Should I start or should I wait for a few more people to join? Are you guys here? Say hi. I mean, just let me know you guys are ready. I have a notification from Twitch. Crab Show is now following you on Twitch. Okay, I need to stream on Twitch as well. By the way, guys, if you're not aware already, I'm planning to stream on Twitch because there I can actually play songs while I'm live streaming. And then what I can do is I can record and upload it on YouTube. So please go ahead and follow me on Twitch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stream daily there and I'm going to play really cool music. Okay. I can also sing, for example, maybe. Are you guys here? I hope not a lot of people are here. I'm going to sing now. Okay. You guys are ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you guys ready for a song? Say yes. Okay. So I'm going to sing a song for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I think only Buggy and Yerusht is here. Yerusht is bored. So Yerusht and Buggy, this one is for you. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of... I don't think you guys will like it. So I'll leave it to that. Yeah. Anyways, let me quickly show you guys. Yeah, I should install Excel as well. You would keep interaction sections to keep us alive on chat. Yeah, we have to, right? I mean, that's the whole part. Otherwise, you will feel bored more than this. All right, guys. Okay. So now is a good time to start talking about my whole workflow. I'll start with my shell. So I use Z shell religiously. I've been using it for a long time now. Just when I heard that Fish shell is trying to port the code to Rust, I was kind of interested to start contributing it there as well. But I haven't got time to look at the source code. But maybe I'll try Fish shell once. I've tried before, but the auto completion and all, I don't really like it. I think it comes by default on Manjaro. So that's, I mean, they use Z shell. There's one distro which I think maybe Garuda uses Fish. Yes, Garuda uses Fish shell by default. And the whole point of them having, instead of export, you can't use export, I think. You have to use set, which is something like a change in habit I'll have to do. So I thought I'll stick to Z shell. Right, so over here I have a few plugins, Git and themes. So themes I use to, like for example, I can do ls theme, right? And you'll see all the themes that are available, and you can choose the theme by doing, for example, theme Colo, right? Theme Gallifrey, right? You can have theme Josh. This looks good. Honestly, I like Josh. Let's do Josh, guys. Let's change our, so this was our theme before. I'm gonna keep it here. I'm gonna change the theme to Josh. Do you guys like this theme? Anyone has a different choice? Let me show you a few themes. Freeden is this. It also shows you the time. Honestly, I don't like seeing time when I'm working. It distracts me. AF Magic has been my go-to for long now. So you can see, but I was kind of tired of this. Ritaz, no. Team RKJ repos. Hey, this is so much extra stuff. Robbie Russell, yeah, you use the default one, is it? How is this one though? You have date, you have time, you have username, you have the computer name, and you have the whole path. But Josh would give you this, which is also nice. So Josh also gives you everything except the date and time. The question is, are you actually looking? So I generally don't prefer the whole folder path because sometimes it's confidential and I don't want to show them the subfolder names. Power level 10k, I think that's slow. I tried it on WSL before and I thought it was slow. I'm not sure if it's still the case, but we can try. This is cool. I think there's a lot to try. This is cool, right? How do you guys feel about this one? How do you guys feel about this theme though? Like the way they have arrows and then they have, I think those are the number of commits. Let's try to change a few things here and there. Not in this, I think. I'm in the wrong folder. Yeah, agnostic is there. But I think I didn't have. I had a few issues. Oh yeah, agnostic is like this. How do you guys like this? Agnostic is good. It's colorful. Let's look at how it will look like here. It looks good, right? Buggy? Yerisht? This looks good, right? Anyone else is here? I can say their name as well, guys. Don't feel left out. I'm just trying to call out those people who are active here. Why is it not commenting out? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, sorry. What is that? Agnostic, right? Yeah, let's source it. Not bad. Let's try to make a commit. Let's see. Teri hasi. So this says plus minus. Okay, because something was changed as well. Okay, let's try to get it back. Let's add a new line. It still says plus minus. Let's try this again. Ta ta ta. Okay, no. Ta ta ta. Okay. Now it says plus minus. Oh, my bash you're using, is it? Yeah, I need to. I think I'm happy with omization to be honest, but what does Oma Bash bring to the table? What do you think? Is it nice? Have to drop Kush for a call. Bye. Take care, Edwin. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye. Yep. All right. So what I was saying, this is okay. I like this theme, but just that, let's do, for example, Josh. Oh, what am I doing? Theme Josh. And let's add it. Let's add another line. Over here, it doesn't even show anything. No, Josh is definitely not there in the list. Okay, this is okay. But what about trap? Why does it say dirty? What is this? Why are they trying to act so cool about it? Agnostic is fine. Why they don't let me change it? Weird. Anyways. All right. Okay, so that's it. That's it about themes, right? So let's go back right over here. Now, of course, I'm doing omazishal.sh just to make sure that omazishal is initialized. I have language enus.utf8, right? And over here, I have conda setup. I don't have it right now, but when I used to have it, so I used to use this anaconda by default. Then I also have conda activate environment. So this was a command I used to use, COE. So that will activate the conda environment. So what it will do is it will list all the environments for you. You can see there's a list, but right now it's empty. When you do COAE, that says conda, conda, A, activate, E environment. right? So that will list all the environments to you. It will show, it will give you an option which one to pick. You can search and then click enter, and that will activate it for you, right? So you can see what it does, conda activate, and then there's a like within this dollar sign, that means it's trying to list the environments first, then FCF I'm using to just be able to type through it and search, then print $1, whatever we have got from this FCF, we will just print it. So this will be conda activate and the environment name. Essentially, that's it. Yeah, so here you have conda activate as COAE is conda activate environment. This is the function that will be called. COD, for example, will be conda deactivate. There are a few Git aliases that I honestly, since I've started using lazy Git, I never use these aliases, but sometimes I do. Whenever I type, I prefer, like, I don't prefer, but I'm still so used to doing it. Guys, give me 1 second. My father is messaging me, and I think he is not aware that I'm streaming. So let me quickly give him the link so that he can watch my stream as well. All right, yeah, I just sent the link to my parents as well. Okay, perfect, right? So this is what I have over here. Then I have git clone, for example, git commit, GCO. I don't use these, to be honest. Again, I repeat, I mostly just use lazy git. We can talk about it later. By default, I always like to turn on tmux. It's a choice that everyone can make. I prefer doing it. Lazy git, I have an alias for that as LG. Then you have editor that I'm using as NeoVim. Visual is editor, and path is local bin, so that everything in local bin comes up. Google Cloud SDK, when I was in AI field, I used to have this Google Cloud SDK, all the scripts initialized. So you don't need to think, focus much on this. If you just want, you can copy this, but let me show you what this is, right? FZF, and then we can talk about it, okay? So are you guys ready? Let me show you this, okay? So suppose you are in this folder called image annotator rust, okay? I'm gonna be here just to be on a safer side. If I do Alt C, what that does is you can search the folder inside this current folder. So I just pressed Alt C. Now I'm gonna search for a folder, let's say sample folder. That's already a folder. Let's actually look for maybe OSX. Yeah, so it shows you OSX, and then whatever the files that are inside this OSX folder, it also shows you that. So on the right, you see one directory, 2 files, right? Annotator rust and image annotator rust, right? So this is actually very useful. You just don't have to search for that folder. When I click enter, that will cd to that folder, and it will take it to you, take it to you there. Okay, so you can go back. That's very useful, right? Of course, if it's not there, it will not show you anything. If you hit enter, it will stay there. There's another command that is very useful that I use a lot is Control T. Let me quickly install bat. I reinstalled Pop OS, I think a couple of days back. So Control T is what I use. I think it's bat cat, is it? Yeah. I need to alias bat equal to bat cat. Maybe we can do that. Yeah. I think this should work now. Maybe I'll have to restart. What happened? Bat is not found. Maybe I should have created a symlink instead of doing this. My bad guys. My bad. Poor joke, sorry. Guys, how many of you here though? You can say hi to watching. Okay, I think everyone left. It's kind of okay. But anyways, I'm gonna keep continuing what we are doing. People later on watch this stream as well. So let's keep on going, guys. Okay, so this is done. And let me quickly, yeah, there you go, right? Oh, you're here. Thank you so much, Buggy and Yerush, for being here. Thank you, Buggy. And thank you, Yerush, for joining again. Right, so let me quickly show, right? When I do Control T, now I can search for a particular file. So let's say I'm trying to search for release.yml. There you go, right? Now it searches for release.yml keyword in all the file paths. It shows me these two files which actually match, right? Release.yml and binary release.yml, right? I can scroll down and I can see I can scroll down here as well, and I can see the file. And if I want to open it, I can hit enter. It will not open the file. It will just print the whole file path to your terminal. What you can do is you can do NVim space Control T. What that will do is once you hit enter, that's gonna paste that whole file path right to your prompt. When you hit enter, that will open the file. right? So you can do that. I also have alias for NeoVim as V. I never use that. I religiously just type nvim, right? So that's what I do. Control T is a very useful command if some repository is like super nested and you want to search through it. It's going to be very useful, but you need to get used to it, right? Like sometimes it will happen that you're not using it, so it's really up to you. I think I know how to scroll. Let me quickly check release. Control D, no, Control J. Oh, Control J and Control K. Oh no, this is different. Control U. I'll have to see how to scroll through these windows on the right, but you can always scroll through your mouse. But how to do that using your keyboard, we'll have to set an option, I guess. Let's see. Anyway, so that is how I use FZF regularly. In general as well, I do FCB. For example, if I want to check out to a branch, F means FZF, C means checkout, and B means branch. So when I want to check out to a branch, I can do this, and I can actually search for a branch I'm looking for. I can hit enter. As you can see, it says there's some local changes. So I'll quickly wrap it up, and I can go to a branch, maybe not main, let's see, fixed alignment, and I can hit enter, and that will check out to that particular branch. You can see that switching to origin fixed alignment. Yeah, Control D and Control U are default, but they are not working, so I think I screwed something up. Control D here will of course be like our equivalent version of Z shell, right? It will exit. I mean, in any shell, Control D is like exit, so maybe Control F and Control U should have worked, but I don't remember. Maybe I've changed something. Even Control, let's see, maybe Control U is working and Control U is also not working. We'll have to see. We'll have to check. Okay, no issues at all, right? So that's one thing, of course, how I use this. Now I think I have FL FGL get log. Let's do alias FZF, right? So what that's going to do is it's going to print all the alias, and you can do FZF. You can actually pipe any of these command outputs to FZF. What that essentially does is it just gives all this output to FZF, and you can search for it, and you can hit enter. That will be printed. For example, I can search for git log P, right? That is GLP, right? So if I do GLP, why is it even useful? Why am I having git log P? No, this is not useful. This is not useful. I don't think I should have FZF there. But it's okay. Aliases. What else do we have? FZF. So GLO is there. Git log 1 line. Yes, I think that is useful. FZF multi preview PR. So I used to use Pacman. That was very useful, right? When you want to search through available repositories, I mean available, what do you call it? Maybe repositories is the right word here. When you want to do sudo pacman install something and you are not sure whether this exists or not, you could actually do PA. It will show you all the available. I think PI will show you that you can install, whether it's there or not. It will also show you the file content. I don't use Fugitive, bro. It's been a long time. I use LazyGit. That's it. I don't use Fugitive a lot. I mean, not at all. I used to use packages, searching packages. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Yes. Yarush, what happened? Why are you sad? By the way, if you guys are curious, this is really cool, right? You can click on local branches. You can click on any branch and see what was the commit, how it happened. I think here Control U and Control D is working buggy. So I think maybe something is wrong with my FCF. Half stream is over, maybe. No, not yet. Hold on, bro. What's the time? 10:04. Yeah, maybe, but I'll show you. I mean, you guys want to, I can show you my setup, guys. I'm not really sure if I can. Okay, actually, Yerush, I'm really sorry. Can we do it tomorrow? Because right now my whole, this is a mess. And of course, it's not a good idea. I mean, it's not a mess, to be honest, but I can quickly show you guys my setup. Do you guys see my setup, Yerush? So these are the two monitors I have, and this is one on like vertically top. It's like a bit tilted, right? And then I have one more laptop here. That's my company's laptop. That's my CPU. Say hi to my CPU, guys. And those are the speakers I have. That's a table fan I use because I'm a very hot person in general. Yeah. I hope you're happy now, Yarush. I cannot show you the home right now with this camera, so I'll have to connect this with my mobile camera so that I can show you. Chipu. What does that mean? Please explain. Yes. Okay, we will wait. Thank you. But at least I hope that you are a little happier. At least you got to see the setup. It's not really fancy. I'm still experimenting the vertical monitor this way, whether this actually paints or not. But honestly, it's good. One vertical is okay, but then I think I'll get used to it slowly. So I need to give it some time and then judge based on that. Yeah. But anyways, you can also go through these commits. By the way, this is reflog, so you can see all the commits, what happened, what are the changes as well that were there. So this is very useful, right? With LazyGit, if I want to add, let's say if I want to change anything, right? Let's do NeoVim src render image.rs. Let's change a few random things. It's okay, I'll edit these later. Like, let's do this. Right now, if I do LG, right, so it will show you that. Oh, okay, I don't think you guys can see this. I think you guys can see it now. Yeah, so if you see over here, these are the two files that it says, okay, image visualizer.rs and render image.rs. So these are the two files that have been edited. And it says M because these have been modified, and you can click on these and see the lines, and I can actually stage changes per line as well. I can hit space and these will be staged. So I can actually go line by line and I can choose whether to stage it or not. And I can go back to this file. If I want to stage this whole file, I can press space and that will stage the whole file. I can press space again to unstage it, right? So these are the very cool things I can do. Once I'm done, I can actually press C, just C, okay, and that will prompt a commit message. I can write anything I want, and once that is done, I can just hit enter, and this is done now. And I can actually press P to push and capital P to pull, right? So these are the few commands there. I think there are more commands. There you go. Right, commit changes without pre-commit hook. This is really nice, by the way. Nice that they have it. I mean, last commit, capital A, commit changes using git editor, edit file, open file. So all of these things are there. You can definitely leverage this. Merge tool is there. I've not used merge tool so far. View upstream reset options, view reset options. Let's see. Oh wow, see, soft reset, mixed reset, hard reset. This is so cool. Right, if you guys are here, I think you guys are already finding some value into this stream. I hope this is something new that you are seeing today. Let's go git stash. Let's go to git checkout main. Right, okay, perfect. I think we are back, right? So that's mostly about how I use LazyGit. One thing about Tmux is that you can always split your windows. You already know, right? I think I have these commands for alt right. No, I think there was, I forgot where it went, but yeah, anyways, so I can do control B and T. So control B is what I use as what is the name of, is it the, what do you call it, attach command or something? Can't really see it, but I forgot, right? I think that's a command that enables the tmux command prompt. So I can do control B and I can hit T, that will show me the time, and I can hit Q, I think any letter will work, and that will take it back. Okay, so that's one thing. If you're curious, like what's the time, I can do control B T and see the time and close, right? Even if I'm working, I can do control B T. This is done, I can go back. You have multiplex in life, yes. That's okay. I mean, I never saw the purpose of this multiplexer, even the tiling feature, before I think when I had 24 inches monitor, it was all good because generally one whole window will fit into this one monitor, and I never needed these auto tiling features and all. But when you have a 32-inch monitor, or even a wide monitor, in that tiling is the most important thing. Tmux, for some reason, I really prefer it because I can do control BC. Okay, let me give some space in BC. Might sound weird, right? So over here, let me show you this, right? So guys, if you notice, if you observe carefully, you have 1 and 2 listed here. 1 is NeoVim window and 2 is Z shell. If I do control B1, that's going to take me to the first window. If I do control B2, that's going to take me to the second window, right? I think there are few, I can search for, see, I can actually search for NeoVim window as well. So that also shows you there. I can do control BS and I can search, I can actually scroll through all these workspaces I have and I can select which one I want. I can hit right and I see what kind of windows are already open in that. So that's one thing. I'll have to see what else is there. I don't think I use anything else. Just control B and apostrophe to horizontally split. To vertically split, you can use control B %. That's it. And if you want to go here and there, you can do control B O. That's it. And control B H will take it to the left. Control B L will take it to right. Control B J will take it to the bottom window. Yeah. So guys, like this, right? So this is very helpful. Not necessarily you'll need it, but I think I like it. I don't use it extensively, to be honest, because there's so many commands. I'm still getting used to it, but it always helps. Perfect. I think that's mostly it about this, but let's talk about one more, which you guys have already probably noticed what I use. So I use auto jump a lot, right? So auto jump basically lets you jump to a repository which you have visited before. Let's say at some point of time you did cd config alacrity, right? So you did this. Let me zoom in, right? So you did this, so you are in alacrity folder now. Now what I want to do is I want to go to the Rust folder that I visited, right? And I don't remember the name. So I can actually do RST and hit enter, and it will fuzzy search through all the repositories, right? And it will take you to the closest one. So Rust is the closest one because of course that matches. If I do J image, it's going to take JIMG, it's going to take me to image annotator Rust. So it's very cool, right? For example, if I want to go to alacrity, I can do JAlac, right? But it depends, like you have to have visited this repository before. If you haven't visited before, it will never work, right? I can do J dot, not sure what that does. I'll have to see. I forgot. You can do home. Maybe it matched the themes. Yeah. I have a laptop monitor only, but even there, Kitty gives enough of multiplexing stuff by default, so never got dirty with Tmux. I only watch George Hotz use it. Okay, I'll have to see what that George Hotz is. Okay, I'm gonna save this link. What is this though? What theme do you use? Hi Ether, thank you so much for joining. By theme, do you mean NeoVim theme or Alacrity theme? In terms of Alacrity, I'm using Dark Plus. In NeoVim as well, I'm using Dark Plus. But I changed. Okay, with I can actually show you. So let me turn off the transparency. Right, so this is the NeoVim theme I have. I'm using Dark Plus right now. Right, this is the Dark Plus theme. If you're curious, you can actually go to my repository and just find the config there for theme, right? So this is a repository that, do you lazy load it? No, right now I'm not doing it. No, actually I'm doing it here. There you go. Grubbox used to be very popular, but I kind of don't like it. No, I have gone through Grubbox, but I don't like it. I like Dark Plus. But honestly speaking, my favorite theme has to be Cat Pukin Mocha. Yeah, this is my favorite theme. I like purple, but then again, this is okay. I think even Dark Plus is okay. Dark Plus is also fine. Yeah. And like even on the bottom, I think you have normal, for example, number of errors you have, and you have 0 warnings, 0 info, and 0, I think, warnings. One dark, yeah. I think Dark Plus is kind of a version of One Dark. It was made by Christian. I mean, from NeoVim, I'm getting this. So yes. Yeah, I mean, these are really nice themes. Honestly speaking, there is a extension where you can actually invert color. So I used to use this a lot before. I don't have it installed right now. I call that one put Kattapokin. Dark Plus is a VS Code theme. Yes, is it? Okay. Not sure, but it is there on NeoVim as well. I can show you quickly. Hey, what happened? Okay, leave it. Yeah, there you go. So this is the one I'm using. Where it looks like VS Code Dark Plus theme. Someone mentioned here as well. Oh, okay. I think they ported from the VS Code Dark Plus theme to. I see. Okay. Interesting. Thank you so much for letting me know. Yeah, it's a port of the VS Code theme. Nice. I didn't know about it. Oh, so they had the version here. But I think Christian just did something better with that. So Meow base 16 or Grubbox. Okay, I see. Fine. Okay, I'm not gonna argue with you on that. But yes, hopefully we will exchange our themes as well. Ether, which is your favorite theme, by the way? And thank you so much for joining. If you're new to this stream, I keep totally forget introducing myself and asking people to subscribe, but if you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I think you already have, because I'm on 805 subscribers now. Earlier I was 804. If you use OneDark, does that mean that you use VS Code, or do you prefer NeoVim? By the way, I saw an interesting theme the other day from Neum Engineering called Oxocarbon. Looked cool. Okay, is it? Let's check this out. Oxocarbon, guys. Wait a minute. What's going wrong? I think something is going wrong. Okay, Oxocarbon theme. NeoVim is far better. Ether use NeoVim. That's cool. Welcome. Okay. Ah, nice. No, I used to use. I think they're using. What is that? We have NeoVim. We have. This is. I forgot the name. What WM is that? I'm using PopOS. Do you mean for this theme? You're using the mouse so much. Oh, that is just because I am on stream. But of course, for scrolling also I can use keyboard as well. But yeah, for when I'm streaming, I would prefer this, yes. But yeah, this is nice. It's a bit on a darker side. I'm sleepy. Sorry, guys. This is nice. What's the plugin? What's that name, right? What's the config name? I totally forgot. It's very popular, right? Which one is that? It's built by a student or someone. The old version can be found on the Rust branch. If you're a user of another editor or tool, join our Discord to learn more about porting Oxycarbon to other applications. Nice. They're making efforts. Let's try this out. Do you think we should try this out? But then I have to. So generally when I do this, right, I'll have to change. I'm sleepy. God. I should have updated the plugin though. Oxocarbon. Okay. I like it. But then what about Rust? Let's open some. Oh, URL in text. Okay. Yeah, Buggy, if you want to share a URL, or what you can do is actually you can just put some space between these URLs and I'll kind of delete the space. But let me edit that setting. Okay, I'll edit that. Sorry. Or actually, let me fix it now. Let me see if I can do it. I don't have a moderator right now in my stream. I'll have to go on edit video. Etha, I'm gonna come to your question. Just a minute, and let me fix this. Uh, Allow all comments. Save. Customization. Anyone? Permissions. Community. Agreements. Upload defaults. Channel. This is not important. I need to change the keywords, by the way. It's still computer vision. Can you try again? Wayland is better. Yeah, I'm waiting for Pop OS when they come up with I think their new Cosmic desktop environment, and they'll be supporting Wayland. I'm looking forward to that. No, I was checking something else, right? Buggy. Yerush, what is the question? You have a pseudonym name. What does that mean? I forgot what I was searching for. Oh, it works. You were saying that this works. Oh, I totally. God, I'm so lost. I'm like, why? What I had opened, I even forgot that. God. Okay, let's change the default theme, guys. Yes, I think with Wayland also, I've noticed this thing, like there's no screen. Like when you try to move windows here and there, it's much faster. There's no lag. That's definitely there. And of course, the protocol is new, so they have tried to fix a few things. X11 is old, right? 2011 version, I guess. Okay, let's change the color scheme to, what was it? Neum. Okay, I hope that's Neum. Oh no, that's what? Oxocarbon, right? But do you want me to check Neum as well? Do you mean that? Buggy, you want me to check? Yeah, NVIDIA drivers, it's not there yet, yes. I'm not sure when are they gonna fix it. But let's hope. Buggy, is that another theme? We can check it out as well. Something is wrong with me moving windows here and there. What's the difference? Ah, so Neum is the NeoVim config they made it. Okay. Hey, let me check whether the autocomplete works properly or not. I think Rust Analyzer is not working. Maybe it is working. It's just taking some time. What happened? Why does it not show? Please explain me about Session Manager. Sure. Yeah, it's working. It's nice. Sure. Just give me 1 second, bro. But why does it not? Yeah, I think Rust Analyzer is not working. Yeah. Oh, it's there. This is okay. This is not bad, but something is different. Something is odd about it. Maybe the... Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, just I think the margin, right? They have, it's very narrow. They should have given more margin there, but that's okay. We can maybe fix this for them, right? Please explain me about Session Manager in NeoVim. Yes, I think I use Auto Session Manager. I can actually show you. So session, yeah, auto session is there. You can use this. So the next time you open it, it will start from where you left. Are you on Z Shell? Yes, I'm using Z Shell. They changed a lot of things, is it? Even they changed the change color scheme stuff. This is not what I like. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Either fish is better. I haven't enabled, by the way, Ganesh. So what you have to do is, I have enabled it. What's the auto session? Where did it go? Session. Let's go to auto session.lua. Session lens is there. We'll have to check. Enable last session equal to false. Yeah, true. Yes, this is what I think it's meant here. Auto save enable, true. No, nil. Yes, auto restore enable, nil. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I mean, why did it such? Okay, you guys are fighting between bash and fish. Meanwhile, me using Z shell. Super fun. Session restored. It does tell me that. Honestly, by default, I should just turn the transparency off, because I think I have. Okay, let's do transparency. Yeah, there you go. Let's use transparent. There you go. Enable equal to true instead of false. Why did I do a C shell? Yeah, by default, let's put it false. This is much better. Yeah. Fish is the fastest with the same plugins. Yes. Yeah, the only thing is that I was so used to using export, for example. Even when shifting to fish, I'll have to use set. Your shell is literally something in between fish and bash. Thank you so much. I'll take that as a compliment. Fish is bad for scripting, yes. That's what I feel. Plus, I have so much in Z-Shell config already, right? Now I'm super lazy to change everything, like FCS, for example. I don't think I even use. So these are from FCF documentation, right? So they have some community. Check out git commit. I need to start using those. Yeah, you don't always use these aliases, right? So many aliases you have, you even forget which one you have. That's the whole thing. I use Vim Tmux Navigator, so to switch between, you can try that. Yes, I think I use it. I used to have Alt plus, maybe it's not there now. I used to have Navigator. No, I don't have. I installed it. I remember Navigator. Yeah, I did navigator.neovim. But why is it not working? It should do Alt plus K. That should have worked. No, I think it's for. So if I do V split, if I do Alt, yeah, okay. So when you do Alt H, Alt L, that works, but it doesn't move between Tmux windows. Let me tell you my fish journey. Installed. It threw a hello greeting on my terminal. Uninstalled. Yeah, it's not for Tmux. Yes, either I'm wrong. Tmux is yes, exactly right. Why is it not there? I think there was tmux.config.local that I had from some GitHub repository. Yeah, navigate is there, right? Tmux navigate. I'll have to see what other commands they have. Hey, what's so wrong here? Why is it not working like this? See, once I bring this window, it goes. Bro. Now if I bring it manually. See, even this, you see the lag? Guys, you see the lag? You see? This is super bad. I don't like this about GNOME in general. Anyways. Configure navigation shortcuts. Okay. Navigate left. But I think I had Poop OS. Guys, it's not bad. I'm not sure what's happening. Don't say that. Come on, guys. Have some mercy on me. You guys are crazy. I use Arch. Yeah, I see where you're getting it. Okay. But what is if you're using Dvorak? No, I'm not using Dvorak. I'm using QWERTY. Chad here. You use NeoVim Chad, is it? I'm not jealous, by the way. Aircraft supremacy here with awesome WM. Oh, is it? Okay. Cool. I used to use Endeavor OS, which was really good. Generally, I don't prefer tiling window managers because of the streaming and all. I really need the settings for mic and all. How to change the mic gain, for example, all these things. Use Arch for FS peasants. Is it? Let me quickly try this, guys, if this works. Alt H, Alt K, Alt navigate right, or navigate back. I don't think I need. Let's just keep it very simple. And then reload your tmux config. Okay, so I've killed tmux config. Let's do. Are you ready, guys, to experience? What are we going to experience? I forgot what we were doing. Alt K, Alt K, Alt J. It's not working, guys. What's happening? Ganesh says opt.which.wrap.append. HL use this in your Vim productivity. If the cursor goes to an end, it automatically goes to next line. I'm thinking if I need it. Because sometimes I want to start writing here as well. In that case, what will happen, Ganesh? So if I'm gonna start writing here, but according to you, that will take me to the next line, right? Which is not what I want. Hi Swanan, thank you so much for joining. I'm busy. Yes, I'm in Bangalore अभी तो थोड़ा खाना बनाना सब कुछ करना. I can't play competitive games अभी. बहुत don't even get time. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. Ether says, do you have a live server implementation on your NeoVim? Live server? No, I don't think so. I have. Can you link me with any instruction on that? I'll give it a try. Why? Yeah, I'll try Pakka. Just not able to. Like whenever I find time, I generally prefer taking some rest and all. So you do web development? No, I don't do web development. I do backend development. System design, Django, REST API, Python, a lot of Python. But while I'm doing side projects, I do a lot of Rust. I used to do a lot of AI before in my previous job. So yeah, Akashi is gonna open his mic on the weekend. Okay. Did you start with C? Yes, I did start with C. I think it all started with C, then C++. So I started with the course CS50, right? No, if the cursor is in the last character after you press I key, I'm assuming it's I or L, then it moves to next line. Oh, yeah, that's better. I think I might use it. Yes, that's nice, right? Because in that case, hey Ganesh, I'm gonna give you an option here. Would you actually want to add this yourself in my NeoVim config repository, and that will give you a chance to create a PR as well if you want, because I don't want to take credits away from you. So guys, if you're curious, you can always clone my repository and make some changes and post anything that you want there. So please go ahead and do it. Binary to J0I. It depends, right? Like some people just prefer that, okay, if I do L, it will be great if they can, just get it on the next line. J0 is, see again, the whole point is using the least amount of keys, right, to do something. It just saves your hands some time. But of course, it's like about your memory as well, whatever you prefer. I would ideally see whenever you are on the last character, when you press L, you always want to. Are links banned on chat? No, they should not be either. Are they banned? How do I enable links YouTube chat? Okay guys, I'm gonna fix it now. Oh, so moderators. Yeah. Okay, either I'm gonna give you as a standard monitor, Buggy, I'm gonna give you as a standard monitor for today so that you can share themes. Please go ahead and do it. Please don't block anyone. Uh, please don't give anyone a timeout and all. Please, okay. I'll really appreciate that. Swanand, I've not used TensorFlow a lot. I've used before. Okay, Yarush. See, if you want to share a link, you can always. You don't need to be a moderator for that. They just wanted to share a few links. That's why I'm kind of allowing them to do that. So I think, oh, I haven't installed the plugin. Why is it not installing? Oh, so you mean this? Oh, this is your plugin, is it? So you should actually revive that dead beat of a Discord server of yours for links and stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The fact that you call it dead makes so much sense. It's just, yeah, there's so many things going on, and I have to really filter out, right? Like after getting laid off in the last year, the priorities had to change. But of course, I wanted to continue doing YouTube, and of course, it's not for subscribers. Obviously, it's not for teaching anyone anything. It's just for learning together, making sure everyone learns something mutually, right? It's not just me sharing something, it's you guys telling me something as well, right? So it always helps. You have Tokyo Night and you have customized it well. Oh God. You see, God. How do you uh, how do you decide which one to put, bro? I don't even know. I'm half colorblind in that sense. What options do you have? Show matches false. NeoVim UI. Memory CPU. Wow, this is such an organized disable built-ins. Yeah, I'm gonna go through it. Thank you so much for sharing, Ether. Thank you so much. What's your real name? I should call you with that. Not Ethernet, okay. Where you from though, Ether? Where are you from? Oh, Hyperlink. Are you using Hyperlink? How is it? How are you how are you finding it so far? I'm very curious because I changed my S to S in my key binding, but it's not working in my config. Can you help with it? Hyperlink is stable. Oh, is it? Yeah, yeah, I saw that. It looks really cool. Does it work well with? Is it using VLAN? I mean, what's the default? I heard that they have some problems with NVIDIA drivers. I changed my S to S in my key binding, but it's not working in my config. Ganesh, can you share your config link, please? There's one for Xorg too, yeah. You already saw my config. God bless. Organized people is all I will say. Yeah. Yeah, that was super organized, right? Like even like I kind of started from Christian's NeoVim, and then I started changing it myself. A lot of changes I made. I even made my own plugin, guys. A shameless plug, guys. Please go and look at my NeoVim Autorunner plugin. That's something I'm going to talk about tomorrow. But feel free to look at this. I worked hard on this plugin. It's very useful. I'm going to talk about this tomorrow. It's not there yet, but maybe we can talk about it tomorrow and try to work on this further. Hyper is for Xorg. Hyper WM is for Wayland. Oh, I see. And which one are you using, Ether? Which one is it? And also, by the way, where are you from? Just want to know if you're comfortable in Hindi, because sometimes I talk in Hindi as well in between. Just want to make sure that you don't feel hostile. Yeah. Yes. Please go ahead and take a look at NeoVim Autorunner as well if anyone is curious. I'm gonna start this repository. Do you do Lua, by the way? Yes. Yes, I'm multilingual. Okay, perfect. So that means you're from India. Okay. Buggy, yeah, I did it only for this plugin, to be honest. It was really easy to catch up. Like, I enjoyed writing the whole code. I think it's fairly good amount of code for beginners, let's say. I just saw what are tables in Lua, how to insert, how to just print as well for debugging and all. So it was really nice. Pseudonym name. Yeah, Girish, I know you asked this before, but what does that mean? I speak Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, and English. That's cool. Bengali. Yeah, Bengali is a language I don't know. You're Bengali. Okay, okay. Makes sense. That should be your mother tongue in that case. Yes. Do you live in Kolkata then? I mean, I'm sorry I sound that way, but I just meant that you live in West Bengal. I speak CS. Hi, Kumar Siddharth. Like I have zero is Saga City. That's a pseudonym, I think. Oh, is it? Okay. Okay. Do you have your pseudonym name? Okay, okay. Pseudonym. Okay. For me, I don't have. It's Noddy basically. Um. Oh, you're from Bangladesh. Oh, okay. So how do you know Hindi then? Is it because you kind of have been to India before? It's about creating our own name which might doesn't have any meaning but used for social media. Okay, okay, yes. It's Noddy, yeah. So Noddy is a show that used to come. I don't know, Ether, Buggy, Siddharth. Siddharth, by the way, welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I don't know if you have seen that show, but that's my in-game name when I play CSGO. That's Noddy is the name. A lot of people call me with Noddy. Zorin was there as well. Um, Zorin is a distribution. It's a paid distribution if you want to use the whole feature. Naughty, it's not naughty. It's noddy, noddy. Aya noddy, noddy. Khul ke bolo re. Make way for noddy, noddy. Aao hum sab khele. Do you do this? Not naughty, yeah. Come on, guys. You guys wanted to hear a song? Do you guys want to hear a song? Soup song, flop song. Yes. भंवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल कब से संभाले रखा है दिल तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए ha 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 ha. Yeah, it's a nice old song. I learned Hindi watching coding tutorials, no cap. Nice, nice, nice. Was it a nice singing? Thank you so much. इतना talent कहाँ से लाते हो? नहीं नहीं, actually I kind of fumbled a bit in between because of course singing on stream is kind of a nervous thing. Not everyone can do it, and I'm not a singer, but I was just trying it. Any English song you know? I know, of course. There's one, Country Roads Take Me Home. There's another song, Back to Work. Okay, I mean you sing, yes. See you on weekend. Okay, thank you so much, Siddharth. Take care. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. And before going, please like the stream if you like the content. Yeah, thank you. I mean you sing. Yes. I think I sing the home song, right? The home Blake Shelton one. It could wait. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much. Some Tamil song do you need? Tum 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 by Siddharth. There's a song called Tum Tum, right? Na 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 na. I like Imagine Dragons, yeah. I wanna go home. I miss you, you know. Yeah, Imagine Dragons is nice. Believer. I think there's one song, right? Time. I think, of course, I've heard Imagine Dragons. There was one, Demons is nice. Then Time is, it's time to begin, isn't it? Na 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 na. Something like that. I think I may be wrong, but yeah, yeah. Some Tamil song. I've been trying this. I mean, of course, Tum Tum is a song I've been trying to dance on for a long time, but I haven't been able to. There's another song. I think one friend of mine actually shared this song with me. Let me quickly get that link. I think this is which one is this? Ranjita May is nice. Ranjita May, na 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 na, something like that, right? Ranjita May is nice. Diamond Bones Enemy, yeah, these are nice songs. I haven't heard Bones and Enemy. I think Natural I've heard. I don't remember though. Yeah, but I have this as a dance playlist, by the way. So I just hear. I mean, try dancing like them. Yeah. By the way, I'm kind of not really happy with one thing, and that's Alacrity spoiling the. Wait, what happened? I'll definitely try it out. Thank you so much for letting me know, bro. One thing I'm doing wrong here. What's the problem? Require init.lua. Okay. Attempt to index field. Oh yeah, that's the wrong. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. By the way, guys, I think let's stop the stream today and let's do it next time. I hope you guys liked it. I think this will work. Yeah. Home tour is tomorrow, Yerish. Home tour is tomorrow. Do you have Insta? Yes, I have. You can. I mean, ideally, I'm more active on Twitter, so I definitely suggest please follow me on Twitter. It's not good enough. Yerish, please. Yeah, so many people are liking his tweet. I waited for the whole stream. I showed you the setup, guys. Come on. Hassan Minaj bashed Twitter minutes ago. What is that? Is there a context I'm missing? American comedian. Who is it? Ah, sticks it to Twitter in the middle of the Daily Show. Is it? I'll have to see. I'll have to watch. I'm leaving Twitter. Okay. Deactivated his Twitter. It's okay. His choice. 13 likes. See, for whatever reason. It's minutes ago. Oh, is it? Okay. Let's tweet something from today. Feeling very homely every night when I stream. I'll just put maybe Johnny Blues ka hot take time. That's just for noobs. No. I think I mean it, staying away from family and all, coming on stream every night. It takes a lot of efforts, guys. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys realize this. But every day, like after coming from office, I go to the office 2 times in a week. I immediately come, I go to dance classes, I come back, I take bath, I then cook, I eat, immediately I go live. Right? Uh, that's one thing I've been working really hard on to try and be consistent. At one point of time, I know there's gonna be some burnout from these streams, and that's why I like to talk in between as well. So guys, please don't mind when I do some AMA streams, right? All of these things, because there's a burnout that happens if every day you code and develop. So yes, that's one thing. I thank you Ether for following. I'll follow you back, of course. Hi Ganesh, yes, can you use Vimium? Yes, I thought I should use it, but then the point is that I also use Mac for my office work, and sometimes you will, like, most of the times you will not get these extensions ready to go on a system. So sometimes it's okay to use mouse. I might set it up very soon. I'm just too lazy. Saloni, thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Sorry, I've been streaming. I was just about to wrap up and give you a call. I'll put this overuse quitting Vim joke before you end. How to really exit Vim. I hope that I don't have to play the. Okay. PS. No way you're doing it. Oh god. He's searching for that process. And then. What is he doing? Okay. Yeah. Get the ID. Okay. Pass it. Kill. We love AMA. Thank you, Yarish. Oh god, this was so funny. Shut down the PC. Mash with a hammer. God, this is super cool. Buggy, thank you for sharing this. See, I think that's the point. If I now um uh where's 0x Saga City? I'll tag you there later on. That's the thing with Twitch. You can actually share these videos there and watch them because it's just a streaming platform and I'm affiliated there. So guys, please go ahead and follow me on Twitch. Let's stream more on Twitch. We can play songs in the background. We can have fun. And later on, we can always upload these videos there. But of course, one point is that not a lot of Asians, I mean, especially Indians, don't use Twitch. Like for example, Ether came today, Yarush came, Saroni came, Ganesh came. Right, so all these people came through YouTube, but they will not come through Twitch. So there's this trade-off I need to decide on. This guy is crazy with Vim. He has a video with a YouTuber called Stock. You should check it when you have like half an hour on your hand. Okay, perfect. Yeah, thank you so much, Buggy guys. You guys are also free to check his channel, and I'm happy that Buggy and Etha are leveraging the power of sharing links. They're sharing really good links. So I appreciate that. Yeah. I'm Bengali American. My Hindi is weak, so don't mind if I don't get jokes. Oh, of course, Ethan, don't mind. Don't mind if I speak Hindi in between. I'll try to avoid it as much as I can. But I'm, it just happens with your mother tongue when something comes up here, just, giving that reaction. But in general, I prefer not to speak Hindi and stick with English or maybe learn Bengali. Bengali is a sweet language, though. By the way, like, do you live in America or are you in Bangladesh? I know you're from Bangladesh, but I'm not sure where do you live because I just want to catch up with your time zone. Because I know Yarosh prefers PST Pacific time zone. Um, you're in Bangladesh, okay. So that means this time is okay with you, right? In general. Why are you sad about it though? Do you want to go back to the US? Have you been to the US? UTC 6 plus, yes. Half an hour difference, right? Yeah, this works. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Bangladesh sucks, is it? Okay. Why do you say so? It's just like India. No, bro. India doesn't suck. It's good. It's okay. But I see what you mean. Maybe traffic, maybe the mentality and all. I don't know. I can't comment. You see, if I comment more on this, I might be bashed online for making this comment. So I'm gonna stick to my roots. You can do Bengali in between. I'll push my Marathi. Buggy. काही चाले काही नाही तुम्हाला पण समझातो I forgot. Whatever Tarak Mehta I watched, I just kind of learned Marathi from there. Bengali I've learned as well from Babita. Whatever I could. Same shit. Is it Ether? Okay. But I hope at least like wherever you are, you kind of make the best out of it. If you don't like it, try to move out of there. Honestly speaking, Bangalore in India is pretty cool. You can come here for a job. I'm not sure how does it work. You'll have to apply for a visa and all, but I think you might just prefer to go to the US in that sense. You speak Bengali? No. Koi korbo. Just a few words that are, so there's a show in India called Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, which is very popular, used to be very popular. So I used to watch it. I mean, I still watch the old episodes. So there are people from all over the country, right? The characters. So there are a few people from Bengal as well. I mean, there's one girl who is from Bengal and she speaks Bengali just at times, just catchy words and phrases. So I just know from there what it all is about. So that's how I know about it. Yeah. Not a lot. Similarly for Marathi, for example, the people in Maharashtra, whatever language they speak, is called Marathi. So, but I just know Hindi and English and a bit of Sanskrit. That's the most I know right now. Perfect. I think it was a good stream, guys. 11 o'clock is our time. We have streamed for 1.5 hours. I hope if anyone is new, please like and subscribe to the channel. One thing I really like is I don't look at the number of people who are watching the stream because that's not something that is the highest priority. But whoever is here, I'm always going to appreciate you all for being here. So thank you so much for being here, guys. I think let's take leave. Okay, let's go have some rest. I'm gonna sleep after some time. Let's catch you all tomorrow. Same time, 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. Yarush, I will show you my home tomorrow. Okay, I'll set it up. I might have a surprise tomorrow. I can't promise if that surprise is there. We might talk about it there. But yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for being here. Buggy, Ether, Yarush. Um, Yarush will do it 9:30 p.m. tomorrow as well. But tomorrow is like Friday. I might sleep in the evening. I don't go for parties, but I might sleep as well. So we'll do a short stream maybe. I'm kind of really tired today. 8 a.m. yes, your time. Thank you so much, Ether. Nice knowing you as well. Thank you so much for sharing all the links and knowledge. These are the times which make you feel humble, right? Because you live in a world where it's very easy for you to be overconfident about whatever you know. At one, like I think I've been blessed that whenever I start feeling confident, and then there's just a thin line between being confident and overconfident. There are people like you, Buggy, everyone here. They kind of keep me to the grounds that there's a lot to learn from all of you, and I hope I stay that humble. And I really appreciate that I learned something new today. I think I learned a lot today from all of you. So it wasn't one way, it was both ways. I hope you learned something new as well. If not, at least I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be here whenever you can. Buggies, no, bro, yeah, 1337. No. Thank you so much. But, I really appreciate it. This makes me feel better that you guys are here. You take time out. Tuckly, Billy, thank you for being here. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time as well. Gerish, okay, thank you. That's about it. I don't know what that means, but yeah, thank you. Okay, all right, guys. I'm gonna take your leave. Okay, I'll go drink some water. 1.5 hour of sitting, it's not good for health. So I'm gonna walk around and drink some water. Let's see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Namaste. Take care, everyone. Thank you again for being here, and I really appreciate all your time. Take care, everyone. Follow me on Twitter for any updates. Discord is kind of inactive right now. I'll try to make it active. Yeah, and of course, say good night in the chat, okay? Good night is not the word that we use. If you can say, please say good night in the chat. Good night is the word that we use on our YouTube channel to say good night instead of saying good night. It's just it's a good word to say good night. By the way, Yarush, we have something for good morning as well. It's called gummi. Just replace double N with double M, and that's it. Gummie, gummi. My mother hates me for this. But yeah, run, either run. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. I'm gonna take your leave. Bye. Bye, everyone. Ta-da. Bye, guys. I need a Grammy. For sure. Okay. She watches your stream. Sometimes, I think most of the times, but now it gets late for her, so she sleeps. But she is generally always there watching my stream while she's sleeping. I think everyone's parents are so kind, they are the best support you can always have and you can always want. I think, Yeah, I've been blessed with them. I'm pretty sure everyone is so blessed with their parents as well. Yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Take care. Take care. Bye. Good night. I'm gonna leave now. Bye. I'm gonna stop the stream now. Bye. 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 Bye.